Did you know that most people quit their YouTube journey even before hitting their first 100 subscribers? Yes, because let's be honest, it's not easy. Imagine creating videos, you don't get no subscribers and no views. It can be discouraging. But if you are determined and you have a vision and a goal and you know where you want to be, you know, your vision will pull you and you will keep showing up regardless. And that is what is actually going to get you those subscribers that you are looking for. So I just got my first 100 subscribers and I am so excited. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the tips and tricks and everything that I did to make sure that I get my first 100 subscribers, because I believe that if I'm able to get 100 subscribers, then 1,000 subscribers is also doable. Hello and welcome back. I am Angela, the face behind this channel. I'm passionate about inspiring you, motivating you, encouraging you as well to become the best version of yourself as a YouTube creator and overall as a person. I love to share my YouTube experience, my updates, any updates I get, I like to bring them here because I know that there are other creators like myself who would like to know their left from their right, know what to do and what not to do, because I am also learning from other people who are so kind to share all their experiences and everything that they have been learning along the way. So, how did I get my first 100 subscribers? Was it easy? No. Did I feel like giving up? Yes, definitely. Did I feel unmotivated sometimes? Yes, I felt unmotivated sometimes. But I just believe that the only way I fail is when I quit. Okay? Now, there is nothing wrong if you decide to take a break, take a pause to, refresh yourself and, get inspiration and just recharge yourself to come back stronger. There is nothing wrong with that, but throwing in the towel completely and quitting on yourself is something that is definitely going to amount to you failing. So I do believe that as long as I keep showing up, as I keep creating, as I keep doing what I can do to the best of my ability, the result will definitely show up. So how did I feel when I got my first 100 subscribers? I didn't even believe it. Like, it was like a dream, because I remember when I was stuck at just 30 something subscribers. Today you wake up, you have like 38 subscribers, then the next morning you have like 36 or 35, like, always going up and down. So I was worried. So I took it upon myself to really sit down and try to understand what could I do better, what's not working, what's working. Okay, so how did I get my first 100 subscribers? Let me share with you the few things I did that I believe played a major role. So first of all, you want to be creating content that is valuable, because if I go to my data on my videos, I can see that there are some videos that brought in subscribers for me. Probably these people, they watched this video and they found value in it. So I analyzed my videos, my data, and I saw the videos that were bringing in subscribers to me. So I decided to focus on that line of content, be creating more of such content that are resonating more with my viewers, that is making them to subscribe. Okay, so that is one. So you definitely want to be checking in on your videos, on your data, to see what's working, which video is bringing in the subscribers, which video is bringing in the engagements, is getting the most view. It doesn't matter if 80 view is the highest you've got. So whichever video gave you the highest view on your channel, you might want to create more content around that specific video. So that's going to be helpful. And then you also check if this video brought in any subscribers. So that's how to know what is working and what's not working. So definitely another thing that I did was live streaming. So initially I thought live streaming or race streaming, silent race streaming is only good for, getting your watch hours, to increasing your watch hours and all that. But I realized that I did one live stream video, and I got like over 15 subscribers just from that live stream alone, like in a space of 10 hours, because I love doing this race stream where I can upload my pre-recorded video, and then I race streaming via the race stream IO. Yeah, and then I loop the videos and I allow it to stream for like 10 hours or even 11 hours. So this is also one strategy I'm using to grow my watch hours, which has been very helpful as well. And I was surprised when I'm also getting subscribers just by doing that. Okay, so now the first point I mentioned was from my personal videos that I'm creating, my long form videos. I realized that I'm getting subscribers from those ones, so I focused on the type of videos that are getting subscribers. That's number one. Then number two is a silent race streaming using the race stream software. Okay, that is also one thing I'm doing that is giving me both the watch hours and subscribers. I'm killing two birds with one stone, and that is pretty amazing. Then number three, the third thing that I do, whenever I watch videos of other content creators, okay, I love dropping meaningful comments. Okay, I drop meaningful comments. Okay, because there are also other channels engaging in that comment section, and then for some reason you see people, clicking on your channel to visit your channel to see what you're about, and they might just subscribe to you, and so engaging in people's comments has a way of also creating visibility for you, because you are putting yourself out there for other creators to discover you. And depending on the type of comments you drop on a particular video, okay, people are inquisitive. They might just go over to your channel, and then when they get there, probably they saw what you are up to, they saw the type of video you are creating, and they probably they are interested because they found value in it, and then they might just subscribe to you. I also do this, for example, when I scroll through people's comment section and I see someone really dropping meaningful comments, that even from that comment you yourself you are learning something from it. So I'm curious, so I go over to their YouTube channel and I check what they're about. If they are also creating the type of content that interests me, I watch maybe any video that was appealing to me, and then I drop a comment and then I subscribe. So when you are also out there supporting other channels, of course the support will also come back to you. But one thing you shouldn't do though, don't go about on people's comment section doing sub for sub, like saying, oh, I have subbed waiting, or I've subbed back, all those type of things. They don't work, because if you do it that way, YouTube is going to remove your subscribers. That's why sometimes when you go to bed, you have like 10 subscribers. By the time you wake up, you have just 8 subscribers, because YouTube has a way of removing subscribers that are considered maybe ineligible. I don't know. So you have to be mindful not to be engaging yourself in sub for sub. Sub for sub. At least don't do it the wrong way. If you would like me to create a video on how you can do sub for sub the right way, indicate in the comment section. So if you have watched this video so far and you have gained something from what I'm sharing with you today, kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, as I will be bringing back more content like this that will help you on your YouTube journey, that will encourage you, that will inspire you. Definitely you can always learn a thing or two from other people's experience. So what I'm telling you now is sub for sub, if you do it the wrong way, can do you more harm than good. Of course, if there is nothing wrong in subscribing to another person's channel that subscribes to yours, but you just have to do it the right way. So I could create another video, this explaining how exactly that can be done. If you want me to create a video on that, just indicate in the comment section. And of course, another thing that I did to make sure that I got my 100 subscribers is I take my time to respond to comments. Okay, engagement is very important. Not only does it boost your reach, it also encourages your audience, to keep coming back, because you are building that relationship, that bond with them. Okay, when they drop a meaningful comment, no matter how small, just respond to them, reply to them, like and heart their comments. It will make them understand that yes, you've seen their comment and you value their time and whatever they have to say about your video. So building your engagement also helps with your subscribers. So, and yeah, what else? And of course, you have to be consistent. Definitely, if I wasn't consistent by, at least trying to upload a video or two weekly, I don't think I would have hit my 100 subscribers by now. Okay, so, and I also try to at least do live streaming at least twice or three times in a week. So this has a way of boosting your overall presence on YouTube and also increasing your watch time and your subscribers. So these are basically the things that I have been doing. And of course, I also try to, improve on my titles, on my thumbnails, and generally overall the quality of my video. I try my best, to do better. And I try my best to research to find out what are people looking for. Okay, what are new creators struggling with? So this way I'm able to come up with something that will benefit at least one new person a day or in a week. Okay, so thank you everyone. To all my subscribers, I really appreciate it. I wouldn't have made it without you all. Imagine if you didn't subscribe to this channel. Definitely I wouldn't be here talking about how I hit my first 100 subscribers. And if I can get my 100 subscribers, so can you. You just have to keep coming back to your channel, keep showing up, be consistent, and have a positive outlook always and never give up. And one thing you shouldn't do is don't compare yourself to anyone. I know people are getting monetized within the space of 3 months, but everybody is not the same. Okay, so you just have to accept your own pace and work according to what is possible for you to avoid stress and burnout so that you can be more productive. Okay, even if it takes you 1 year to get there, who cares? Even if it takes you 2 years to get there, who cares? The end goal is to get there, and as long as you don't give up, you are going to get there. So that's my belief, and I want you to have that mindset as well. Don't be too hard on yourself. Don't put yourself under any pressure. Don't compare yourself to anyone who did it in 10 weeks. Congratulations to them, but our story might be different, but that doesn't mean that we won't get there. So keep encouraging yourself and watch videos that will keep you motivated, keep you inspired to try new things. And another thing that I did is, whenever I watch videos, I don't just watch and not implement. I watch and I implement immediately, and I actually see a lot of improvement on my channel just by implementing all the things that I am learning. Like, there are some settings on your channel that needs to be done. Whenever I watch videos like that, I go straight to my YouTube dashboard and I adjust those settings immediately. Okay, so that's how you grow, that's how you learn. Just watching a video and not implementing it is not going to help you. Okay, you listening, taking notes, and implementing it as soon as possible is how you can actually grow and see some progress on your channel. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. If you have watched this far, then you are a true fan. And if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and like, comment, and share. And let me know in the comment section how you are going to get your first 100 subscribers. Did you learn anything from my video? Which tips that I shared here today are you going to implement? I'll see you in the comments. Bye for now.